Benuban, Bihar. It is one of the most attractive Buddhist destinations of Tripura. It is located at Kunjaban area in Agartala city. The Buddhist shrine, although small in size, it preserves some beautiful metal idols of Lord Buddha. Benuban, Bihar bears testimony to the fact that from remote past, Tripura has been extending hospitality and patronage to the religion and culture of its neighbors. The quiet monastery is a house of eternal peace and tranquility to all tourists and visitors. The temple structure has a Tripuri style in the design. The red-colored sanctum dedicated to Lord Buddha has the metal Bodhisattva and Lord Buddha. The place is surrounded by trees, for which the place is called Benu Ban. Here, the famous festival is Buddha Jayanti. Mahamuni Pagoda, a Buddha temple, is situated in Manubankul village in South Tripura. The monastery bears the Buddhist idioms of expressions in religious architecture and was constructed under the leadership of Mathu Mog and others many years ago. A famous week-long fair is held every year in the month of March-April. The temple attracts thousands of Buddhist and non-Buddhist pilgrims from every corner of the state, as well from neighboring countries like Myanmar and Bangladesh. Pilak is an archaeological site in South Tripura district. Many images and structures belonging to Buddhist and Hindu faction have been discovered since 1927. The antiques found here are dated to 8th to 12th century. The site represents peaceful and coexistence of both Hinduism and Buddhism. Artifacts of Hinduism are in the form of sculptures and signs of Hindu gods Shiva, Surya and Vaishnavi. A large number of antiques been discovered related to Hinayana, Mahayana, Vajrayana Buddhism practices.